Hello, today we are at ODP, that is the Organization for the Development of People. It is established 30 years ago and it is working for the development of the people through various programs such as women empowerment, natural resource management, livelihood enhancement, etc. It is very well established in Karnataka for 4 districts, that is Mysore, Mandya, Chamarajanagar as well as Kodagu. Now let us know more about the ODP by having a talk with Mr. Varaprasad, who is the HR manager of ODP. Hello sir.
Hi Naina.
As the ODP has established the 4 districts of Karnataka, it's a very wide range. How you are monitoring the activities of ODP as a HR manager?
ODP staff structure, the organogram is well thought of. The managers, the coordinators and the field staff. The managers monitor the activities through the program and project coordinators who are supported by the field staff, zonal coordinators, area managers and animators at the grassroots level. We have 130 staff who are committed, dedicated and experienced. Some of them are working for the last 10 years, 20 years and there are some who are working the last 25 years.
As you said, there are 130 members of staff working in ODP. It's a huge number. What are the activities they are going to conduct at ODP?
ODP is established 30 years ago and this year ODP is celebrating the 30th anniversary, the 3rd anniversary of its inception. It's involved in women empowerment, natural resource management, income generation activities, livelihood enhancement programs, water and sanitation, health, Sneha project for HIV/AIDS, Childline, and so on. In 30 years, ODP engaged itself in building the fabric of the society, transforming it into a just society where people of all caste, creed live in unity and peace, enjoying their rights and strengthening the people economically, socially and culturally. Through these various programs and projects, ODP is reaching to about 5,000 families a year and so far ODP had reached out to 500,000 people in these 4 districts.
So, as you said, the ODP is widely distributed. How you are monitoring the widely distributing activities and how you are ensuring the objectives of ODP?
You see, capacity building of staff is paramount in this regard. We build the capacities of the staff through trainings, inputs, awareness, exposures and so on. Thus we ensure that the staff is capacitated in executing these various programs and projects. ODP believes in the working philosophy, plan the work, work the plan. There is yearly planning and monthly planning. To ensure that the activities are executed as per the plan, we conduct regular review meetings, monthly review meetings, quarterly review meetings and special reviews when and where required. Besides this, there is also the quarterly review meeting done by the governing board to see that the ODP activities are in keeping with the vision and mission of the organization.
Sir, I think huge documentation is required to cover all activities of ODP. How you are managing it?
You are right, Naina. is a huge documentation work. Considering the voluminous work that ODP is doing, the documentation had been a little bother for us. We were following the traditional methods of manually maintaining the documentation. At one time, the director felt that we should deploy software for the documentation of organization activities. And we thought, instead of buying already existing available software, we would customize the software for the organization suiting to its needs.
Well, sir, how did you go about it?
Well, the director entrusted me with the job of fishing for a company who would customize the software for us. We contacted 3 or 4 companies who would customize the software for our needs. SIPS Global Mysore caught our attention. They came with the software as a solution. This was what we were looking for. We signed a memorandum of understanding with SIPS Global Mysore, and they started customizing software for the organization. The customization was a long process. It was a bit strenuous too at times. From our end, we know what we want, but we did not have the computer language to explain our requirements. And from the company's end, they have the know-how, but they do not know our requirements. But at no point were we stuck. They were fast to learn our requirements and come up with software that really makes us very happy today. Today we are enjoying the advantages of software over manual process, better performance, security, reliability, anytime access, multiple search, and so on and so forth. But this is not the end of it. Just customizing software and deploying it for organization utility is not the end. There is a sequel, content management system, at which we are working very seriously right now.
Sir, can you just tell me what is this content management is all about?
Content management system helps us to publish all information about the organization on the website. SIPS Global had developed a beautiful website for ODP and had linked it to all social networking sites like Twitter, Facebook, LinkedIn, YouTube, etc. And we are publishing all our activities and the impacts of our activities through this media.
Thanks for being with us by enlightening the ODP and its activities. Thank you, sir. Wish you all the best.
Thank you, Nayana, and nice speaking to you.
Thank you, sir.
And thanks for giving this opportunity to speak about ODP and its activities. A great organization, recognized and accepted by the society, working with the vision of love, peace and justice, and working for empowering the marginalized in the society. Thank you.